We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off your controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
Match number 69 now rolling, already about 10 artifacts in the air for both of these alliances. Returning back to that far launch zone for the Blue Alliance is How out of Peoria, Illinois. They launch more from afar as their partner up close. That's Hyperion out of Romania, emptying out that ramp, launching up 2 more, sending some down for some extra points, recycling them again to see if they can get some more scoring in these final 5 seconds. 14-179 Sushi Squad out of Washington, lining up as autonomous ends.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Blue Alliance will lead 66-54 in this match. These teams are now flying out into action. From the Red Alliance, 14-179, that's Sushi Squad out of Washington. Coming back to the close launch zone, artifacts in tow, trying to aim their turret up towards the goal, maybe having a bit of trouble. Now the tag is available for that Red Alliance to use. The robot's still now flying around the field looking to load up. 31-190, the Botanists out of Little Canada, Minnesota, aiming up a barrage from the Red Alliance from both of those members. 123-85 is the lead for the Blue Alliance with 1:23 left to go in play. Looks like 41 artifacts already up for Blue and counting. How with a barrage of 3 from the near field. Now dumping out that ramp just in time for their partners to launch up from the far launch zone. Going back and forth and emptying out the loading zone, using as many of those artifacts as they can for scoring opportunities. 1 minute left to go, 168-102. Blue Alliance up to 53 artifacts, now 56 artifacts scored. They could be well on their way to a goal ranking point here in a match number 69. Just need to churn through a few more and they may have it. 24-928 Hyperion and How shooting together from far and near. Look at that traffic management as well. How staying in that near field. Hyperion mostly staying away. As such, their shooters their driving paths do not overlap each other. As we have 30 seconds left to go, Artifact still rocketing in for the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance has indeed locked down that goal ranking point. As we hit the end game, giving them 1 guaranteed bonus as we now get ready to fly on in. Blue appears to be lining up, rather opting to chase down some final artifacts. Going up in the air as we had 10 seconds left to go. Red already trying to line up for a park. 31-190, that's the Botanists. They're lined up for it. Final shots for Red going up from Sushi Squad as time expires.
We have scores going up for match 69. The Blue Alliance will take the victory by a score of 295-160. 4 ranking points will mean stability for How at number 7. No ranking points on Red will drop Sushi Squad to 44.